Try this 40-question English quiz from B1 to C2 level. Can you get them all right? Pick the correct option. Answer B, promise. Which spelling is correct? Answer D, naturalistic. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer B, believe. Find the best synonym of metal. Answer D, alloy. Which word is a synonym of eminent? Answer A, famous. What does behind the 8 ball mean? Answer D, in trouble. What does come under fire mean? Answer A, criticize. Choose the plural of fungus. Answer C, fungi. What is the plural form of reality? Answer A, realities. Choose the plural of carp. Answer D, carp. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer B, he seems to have forgotten the meeting. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer A, if you went to the party, you'd see her. Can you guess the missing word? Answer C, the clarity of his speech impressed everyone. Select the antonym of fortify. Answer B, weaken. Pick the antonym of anarchy. Answer D, order. What is the opposite of presume? Answer A, deny. What is the past tense of grind? Answer C, ground. Choose the correct past form of uphold. Answer B, upheld. What is the past form of strike? Answer A, struck. Which is a synonym of furious? Answer D, enraged. Pick a synonym of nimble. Answer C, agile. Choose a synonym of reach. Answer A, attain. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Obligation. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer B. Excitedly. Pick the correct option. Answer C. Dictionary. Which option is correct? Answer B. Capitalistic. What is the plural of wharf? Answer D. Wharves. What is the plural of sheep? Answer B. Sheep. What is the plural of proof? Answer C. Proofs. Fill the gap. Answer D. You would not have failed if you had studied. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. I met a woman whose brother lives abroad. Fill the gap. Answer C. Her talent for painting won her recognition. What does keep tabs on mean? Answer A. Monitor. What does leave your mark mean? Answer D. Influence. What does make a difference mean? Answer C. Matter. What is the past tense of abide? Answer D. Abided. Final stretch. 4 to go. Choose past form of kneel. Answer B. Knelt. What is the past form of spring? Answer A. Sprang. What is the antonym of disdain? Answer C. Respect. Select the antonym of benefit. Answer C. Harm. Congratulations! You made it! How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe.